my 1959 BSA C15, arguably my most my favourite motorcycle. I'm out on a Sunday evening before dinner, as the weather is due to be rainy, and here in East Anglia on the Norfolk borders of Cambridge and Norfolk where I live, it's typically very dry, and we've had weeks and weeks of thunderous rain, and I'm rather hoping that the weather is kinder than forecast for me to continue to prepare for the Isle of Man and my Norton. Here we go, there's two bikes coming down here. One's a two-stroke. Let's see what's coming down. Yamaha DT175MX, and somebody on a Chinese 125, looked like a Herald or a Mule, but yeah, DT175 monoshock. I used to have one of those. Anyway, I'm out heading towards the Raveleys, hoping to be able to have a ride before the rain comes. The clouds are definitely loaded. Anyway, enjoy this ride. So my 1959 BSA is ideal for simply riding these old B roads, ancient tracks of East Anglia. This is Wennington. It's ever so picturesque, as per most villages, except for this one's in a bit of a wood. It's got a book library. Oh no, I tell a fib, this is actually a working phone. Yeah, and the village is close to my home, and this is very close to where I live. Telephone boxes usually have defibrillators, or libraries, you know, that you bring a book and do a book swap. And this must be one of the last actual working phones. Look at that. And it doesn't smell, yeah, it doesn't smell of wee, for want of a better word. But certainly if anybody's photographing a motorcycle, Wennington is so picturesque. Forgive me, there are thunderbugs out. It's extremely close. My weather predictor on the iPhone is showing 22 to 23 degrees, and it's exceptionally close. Yeah, I've spent my last few days, sorry there's been no videos, preparing my Norton Commando Fastback to go with Simon, my wingman, with his Norton, preparing my Norton after a electrical fault caused it the weekend before last to be rescued whilst I was on a run to St Neots. Typical, I didn't have any camera equipment with me, and the rain was really thunderous, so nothing was caught, but had to get on the back of Simon's bike and then go back with a trailer. But yeah, so I fitted a new rotor, new stator, new battery, new Podtronics unit. Tomorrow, Monday, is my first day of holiday, so I'm going to fit a I'm going to adjust my clutch. It's still slipping a little bit, release the tension on the clutch push rod. Today's tech is a GoPro 11 wearing a chest harness, operated with a remote on my arm, and I'm using my iPhone 15 Pro Max to record this video on selfie stick tripod. Hope you enjoy it anyway. See you all soon.